If you notice that your toenails are changing colors or getting a little thicker, then you may have toenail fungus. Toenail fungus is what occurs when a fungus infects either your toenail or the skin underneath it. For a fungal infection to occur, there usually has to be either cracks in your toenail or skin. Toenail fungus may not be a life-threatening condition, but I think most of us can agree that it is an irritating, annoying, and persistent problem to deal with. I can also tell you that toenail fungus is actually incredibly common. Luckily, there are a variety of natural treatment options that can cure most cases of toenail fungus. These natural remedies are effective, affordable, and easy to do at home. One of the most effective natural remedies is a combination of oregano oil and olive oil. Oregano oil is an incredibly powerful oil that contains fungicidal properties. This means that it can eliminate fungal infections when used properly. Oregano oil is powerful enough that it should not be applied directly to the skin. It can cause skin irritation, redness, and burning, as well as other bad reactions. For every teaspoon of olive oil you use, add 2 to 4 drops of oregano oil. You only need a very small amount of oregano oil to harness its fungicidal properties. Zeta Clear is a natural solution designed to treat all types of toenail fungus. Zeta Clear breaking news. Click here to read this exclusive Zeta Clear review. Does Zeta Clear work? Get the facts. Learn more about this product today. Click the link below in the description.